Hi, my name is Yogesh Mishra and I welcome you all in this session. And today we are going to talk about those words which appear frequently in the examination. So I am requesting you to please sit with a copy or pen or paper, and I am going to tell you at least 22 words by the help of just 4 words. So let us start. The first word that appears on the screen is lackadaisical. Lackadaisical. Okay, so what does it mean? इसका मतलब होता है हिंदी में जो पर्सन बहुत ही क्या हो, निरुत्साह हो, लेजी हो, बहुत ही मंडेन सा पड़ा हो, ठीक, तो उसको हम लोग lackadaisical बोलते हैं. And talking about the meaning in English, so lackadaisical means lacking in spirit, बिल्कुल स्फूर्ति नहीं है, lacking in life, or I can say that person is lacking in jest. So unjust बोल सकता हूँ क्या? बिल्कुल बोल सकता हूँ, ठीक. Now talking about the synonyms, so please note down all the words. The first word is languid. Second word is limp. Third word is listless. Then fourth word is enervated. And mundane can also be the synonym of this word. Mundane basically means lacking of interest, but यहाँ पे भी आप उसको use कर सकते हैं. So languid, limp, listless, enervated, mundane, all are the synonyms of this word lackadaisical, which means that any person who is too lazy to move. Let us move on to the next word. So ये मूवी तो आपको याद ही होगी, और अगर ये मूवी नहीं याद है, दामिनी शायद मूवी का नाम था, और इसमें ये डायलॉग तो याद ही होगा, तारीख पे तारीख, है ना. तो लैम्बास्ट हमारा वर्ड है. सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? लैम्बास्ट मीन टू असॉल्ट समवन वायलेंटली, ठीक है, बहुत बुरी तरीके से किसी को फटकार लगाना इज कॉल्ड लैम्बास्टिंग. Now, talking about the synonyms of this word, so first synonym is censure, किसी की खबर लेना, censure. Second word is bash. Third word is banter, तंज कसना. Then bellabore. Then we have pummel. Pummel, pummel. Then we have lather, lather, lather. Slate, not यहाँ पे ये L है, okay. Slate. Then slog. Last but not the least, wallop. So, sir and ma'am, censure, bash, banter, bellabore, pummel, wallop, lather, slate and slog. All these words are the synonym of this word lambast. Please remember all the words, and I am giving you guarantee these words will appear in examination. Let us move on to the next word. So the next word is loath, है ना. So do not go on the apps of John Abraham. ये मूवी आपने देखी होगी, एंड ये जो मूवी थी इसमें मान्या सुरवे शायद इनका नाम था. सो ही हेट्स मुंबई ट्रैफिक. सो लोथ इज द वर्ड. सो लोथ मीन्स किसी से घृणा करना. तो अगर हम इंग्लिश में लिखें, व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट मीन्स टू डिसलाइक. नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको किसी से कहना हो बहुत गुस्से में, फोन वोन ना उठा रहा हो कोई, तो ये बोल देना आई लोथ यू, irrespective of saying I hate you. So to dislike very greatly, बहुत ज्यादा किसी से नफरत करना, घृणा करना is called loathing someone. So मैं ये भी बोल सकता हूं टू डिस्गस्ट समवन, ठीक है. समटाइम्स पीपल से यू डिस्गस्ट मी. देन if you are loathing someone, then obviously you are detesting someone. Then abhor also means the same. Then abominating someone is also means you hate someone. Abominate. Then despising someone is also the synonym of this word. Execrate. Let me write it again. Execrate also means to hate someone, and hate means hate. Okay, so hate, execrate, despise, abominate, abhor, detest, and disgust all are the synonym of this word loath, which means to hate someone. Okay, so let us move on to the next word. Next word is ludicrous. अब आप हेलीकॉप्टर से कुत्ता घुमाने ले जाओगे तो ये क्या है, बेतुका ही होगा, ludicrous जॉब होगा. So what does ludicrous means? It means an act which is very amusing, है ना, हंसी आ रही है आपको, ठीक. Laughable, you can say any act which is laughable. Okay, or I can say any act of absurdity. You are doing something which is very absurd. An act of absurdity is called ludicrous. Okay, so what can be the synonyms of this word? So synonyms of this word can be, first, ridiculous. Okay, then next word is farcical. It's a very good word, farcical. Then risible, R-I-S-I-B-L-E, risible. And obviously if anything is very ludicrous, laughable, then it is also comical. So the word is ludicrous, and it means that anything which is very amusing, laughable, an act of absurdity. And the synonyms are ridiculous, farcical, risible, and comical. So these were the 4 words. The last word is lynch, and I am leaving it for you because you already know what does lynch means. Okay, lynch means without any legal activity you kill someone, or someone is killed by the mob. Okay, so that is called lynching, and lynching की खबरें आते जाते रहते हैं. So I am leaving this word to you, but in this video we have covered near about 22 words. And I am giving you one task. Please go through the previous videos, and I am guaranteeing you that till today we have covered near about 200 words. So that's all from today. Keep learning and keep watching English Wala. Thank you so much.